Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing great. In my today's video, I will tell you about if your camera app is not working, how you can solve this problem in your device OnePlus 10 Pro. But before starting the video, if you're new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So now let's move to the topic. If in your device OnePlus 10 Pro, your camera app is not working or you are having any issue related to the camera app, you can solve this by the method as I'm showing in my this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can solve this problem in your device OnePlus 10 Pro. Let's watch it.